So this is a quick video of the solar panel setup on a Cherokee Grey Wolf 22RR. There was a 100 watt panel here, so pulled that guy off, and you can still see the, let's see if we can get it to focus here. You see, like right under that foot there's some Eternabond tape, and if you look forward, see right there, that's the other one. So that's where it was mounted, the 100 watt panel. So these are 585 watt panels, and they're 90 inches long. There's about 3.5 inches gap on the sides, and on the front it comes right up to the edge. You can see. So I use these brackets here, and they're meant to be used, 2 of them, so that you can tilt. So you bolt them together. I used them a single like that, and it seemed to work out better. Die-core underneath all the bolts and all the brackets. The heads of the bolts are sealed in die-core. But yeah, there you can kind of see. And then if we go down, die-core and Eternabond, a combination of the two on all of the cables. So I already had this entry gland here. So you can see that. So I reused that. The wiring is 10 gauge, so it should be fine. I'm only doing about 15 amps. And if you look real close, way over there, let's see if I can zoom in here. You can see there's a roof vent. You can see it, I think. Yeah, that just clears. I mean, just clears. But it does clear. So that's up top. That goes right up to the AC unit, and then comes forward, and again, pretty much just clears that that skylight. And if you look at that bracket over there, you can see I'm at the end of the travel for that bracket for using a single one. Of course, if you use 2, you could go higher, but I didn't. And if we climb on down, not technically finished, but if we come down and look at the pass-through, you can see the plan. Now eventually there will be a bigger lithium-ion battery going in here. Or sorry, not lithium-ion, lithium iron phosphate battery going in here. But right now what I did was just put some MC4 connectors. I didn't have any butt splice connectors, but I had a few leftover MC4 connectors, and they're good for 30 amps, so figured toss those on there. This one's from the battery. This one is going up to the roof. You can see they're 10 gauge, should be good for 30 amps. This goes to the battery somehow. I believe it goes to the, there's a circuit breaker down there by the frame rail. Actually, I could probably show you. See that over there? Yeah, I believe that's the circuit breaker for it right there. The charge controller I have is 100 amps. So that won't be used once I get the battery in here. But I'm not going to go buying thick cables to, for a couple of weeks to run all the way there when I'm going to be running it right in here. So I'm just going to wait and turn the charge controller down to be 30 amps so that it doesn't exceed the weighting of the wires. And that's pretty much it.